Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're excited to explore the much-anticipated 2025 Honda Shadow 750, a classic cruiser that's been reinvented for the modern rider. Known for its smooth ride and timeless design, the Honda Shadow continues to offer an incredible blend of power and comfort. Let's dive into the details of what makes the 2025 model the perfect choice for cruiser enthusiasts. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 presents a refined yet unmistakably classic look. With its low-slung profile and sleek lines, it retains the charm that the Shadow is known for while incorporating some modern touches. The bike features a clean, minimalist design with a new blacked-out treatment for various components, giving it a more aggressive, urban vibe. The signature teardrop fuel tank and wide rear fender have been slightly reshaped for a more contemporary aesthetic, while the updated chrome accents add a bit of sparkle to the bike's overall look. Riders have several color options to choose from, including new matte finishes that give the bike a bold, modern edge. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 keeps its reliable 745 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that's known for its smooth power delivery and a satisfying rumble. The engine is designed to offer a balanced mix of torque and efficiency, perfect for both cruising through city streets and long highway rides. The 2025 model sees slight tweaks to improve throttle response and overall rideability. While the power output remains around 45 horsepower, the bike's refined fuel injection system enhances fuel economy, allowing for longer rides with fewer stops. A 5-speed transmission delivers smooth gear changes, ensuring that every ride is as enjoyable as it is comfortable. Safety and technology. Honda has updated the safety and technology features of the 2025 Shadow 750, ensuring that riders stay in control no matter the situation. The bike now comes equipped with an improved ABS braking system for enhanced stopping power, offering more confidence when riding at higher speeds or in wet conditions. The updated suspension system ensures that riders experience a smooth ride, absorbing bumps on both city streets and open highways. Additionally, the 2025 model features a more advanced LED lighting system, providing better visibility for both the rider and those around them. The minimalist yet functional instrument cluster now includes an easier-to-read LCD display, providing important ride information like fuel levels, speed, and trip data. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is a modern take on a classic cruiser, combining the timeless appeal of the Shadow series with fresh updates that enhance its performance and style. Whether you're looking for a bike to ride through the city or take on longer journeys, the Shadow 750 offers a smooth, comfortable ride with the right balance of power and elegance.